What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. We have a Moen shower handle here that is a little bit loose or a little wobbly. We're going to show you how to fix that. All right, so we are coming at you from underneath that handle. As you can see here, we have a little hole where an Allen wrench is going to fit in. You need a 7/64 Allen wrench. All right, so now we're gonna get our 7/64 Allen wrench. I'll put a link in the description where you can get a really nice set of Allen wrenches for under 20 bucks, but we're gonna go counterclockwise under here. So you just wanna put that Allen wrench into the hole that we just showed and twist and go counterclockwise. But we're just gonna keep going until we have our handle off. You can see the bottom here starting to come out. Once you get it low enough, you could probably start to hand twist it off if you'd like. Once you have that out, make sure you hold on to it. This sounds silly, but you don't want it falling down the drain. Put it off to the side, and you should be able to just pull the handle right off, like so. And you're gonna see this black plastic covering is just slightly loose, and that's what's causing the wobble. So we're just gonna get our Phillips head screwdriver and tighten that up. All right, so here's a better shot of what we're looking at. As you can see here, we're just gonna tighten that screw that is in right there, and this should tighten up as well and stop the wobble. So just get our screwdriver, tighten a little bit, and you don't see it doesn't move at all anymore. We just barely needed to tighten it. No need to over tighten with this. You just need it so it doesn't wobble anymore, just like that. And then we are just going to put our handle back on. So you just grab your handle, push it right back on to where it was. It should slide right in, just like that. And then we are going to grab our hex nut or our Allen wrench nut and start to twist that in the bottom. I like to do this by hand first, get it going, and then use the Allen wrench for the tightening purposes. It's just easier to get it going by hand, at least in my opinion. So as you can see, we have that nut in there, and we're just going to simply grab our Allen wrench and turn clockwise this time, the opposite of what we did before. Again, same thing with this as with the Phillips head screw. No need to over tighten, just get it tight enough so your Allen wrench doesn't go anymore. And once you reach that point, just stop. So I've just reached that point. There you go. No more wobble at all anymore. Thanks for watching, everybody.